Hey guys, it's me. Today I will be showing you my remote control car. It wasn't that expensive. It was about $250 with the insurance, batteries, controller and everything like that. From a hobby shop at Bass Hill. It's good for the price it is. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be putting it up on the ramps and making it come up here and just giving you a full review. So I'm going to start off. So yeah, just keep watching. Like a boss. Oops. Can't drive on grass. So yeah, I was really careful with it when I first got it, but now I'm just starting to test it out a bit, and so stuff like that. It's just over there at the moment. Oh, I need to put it back on the main road. So I've also done my I've done the smoothie challenge and the I'm so pissed with my homework videos today as well. So if you've seen them, I've done it on the same day as this one. If you haven't, go check them out. They're really cool. This is just part one of my remote control car review, and it just got off the grass. It's not really meant to drive on the grass. Drift. So yeah, in the link in the description there'll be where I got this car from. So I will see you guys in the next video.